Hi, it's Carrie, and today I'm going to show you how to create a glittery embossed background on this New Year's card. First, I'm going to take a side folding card and cut out a square. Now you'll notice on this one, it leaves a pierce dotted line around the edge of the square, and I kind of liked that detail for this particular card. So I will go ahead and trace that square on the inside of the card lightly with a pencil. And that is going to show me where the embossing is going to go on the inside. So I'm going to take a little bit of this purple tape and I will tape down around the edges of where I just traced with the pencil. And I'll do that on all four sides. I really like this purple tape. It hasn't torn any of my projects so far like some tapes will. So this has been a really great find for me. I'm going to take that distress ink in 3 different colors, Broken China, then Salty Ocean, and finally Faded Jeans. And I'm going to just start inking a little bit at a time. And the trick with distress ink is to just do a little at a time and build up that color so you don't get any of those sponge marks. Now with this particular project, it doesn't really matter if you get some of those marks because we're going to cover it up with glitter anyway. Here I am on the second color. And I'm just going to ink on the last color here, which is the darkest, because we're creating kind of an ombre look. And this is so easy to do and super quick too. I know I sped this up just a little bit for you, but it really didn't take too long to create this entire card. So I'm just going to real quick blend that out with the middle color just a little bit. And now the fun part. This is some Judikins embossing powder. It's sparkle embossing powder, and it's one of my favorites. You can see it's a pretty large jar, and I've used quite a bit of it. And I'll take some Versamark ink. Now this is the sticky ink, so you can use whatever sticky ink you have. I'm just going to ink this up really well. And I'm keeping that tape on, you'll notice, especially while I add the glitter. Because if I took the tape off right now and added that glitter, it would actually stick to where the tape was too, because the tape leaves just a little bit of a sticky residue. So leave your tape on, add the embossing glitter, and then heat set that with the tape still on. Here I'm heat setting it, and you're going to see just how beautiful and vibrant it turns. Look at that. You see that pretty color and how it changes color? And that will leave a glitter on your card that will not come off. That's why I love this embossing powder. So now I'm going to carefully peel that tape off. I still want to be as careful as I can because it is tape and there is the possibility. So you can see I just take it back off onto itself, and I'll take the heat gun one more time and just heat around those edges just to make sure I got the edges good and heat set. I'm going to set that aside to dry, and while that's drying, or while it's cooling off actually, I'm going to take some Copic markers and 3 shades of yellow here and just do some very easy shading on this this drink. I'm going to call it Martinelli's. That's what we celebrate with here for New Year's. I'm going to color this up. Just take those 3 shades, and then I'll take 2 shades of blue. This is B00, I believe, and then I'll take B000 and just blend that out. So here we go with the B000, and just very simple and easy to do. And then I thought those bubbles needed a little color, so I started coloring them in blue, and then I thought, wait, maybe they should be yellow, the same color as the drink. Well, you can color them whatever color you want to. And then I took the matching die. I love that this set from the Hedgehog Hollow December kit comes with the matching dies, and I cut that out. I also cut out the Happy New Year in gold glitter paper, and this is also from Pretty Pink Posh that came in the December Hedgehog Hollow box, and I'm going to attach that to the front. But here you can see that I have an action wobble that I'm going to put on to the drink, and it's really fun when you add an action wobble to create some action, I guess. But I put this on, you'll see I tried to wobble it too soon and it wasn't stuck down. So because there's a glitter background, be sure to stick that down really well before you try to use that wobble. I'm gonna just take some liquid adhesive. This is Nuvo Deluxe adhesive, and I will stick down that happy on the front. The H does come separately from the rest of the word, and that is so nice because it makes it easy to just nestle that right in next to the A. I like to put an acrylic block over the top while it dries, and I decided that the drink needed a little glossy accents to make it super shiny. So this is some glossy accents. I've had this bottle forever of glossy accents. I probably need to get some new. I even added it there to the bubbles, and that does create some shine, which is really fun on this card. Now I will go ahead and add the rest of the sentiment to the inside along with some of those sequins that came in the kit. I love the color of sequins. They're gold and silver and clear and black. So beautiful for a New Year's card or any celebration card really. So I added just 3 to the top there and a few to the bottom and attached the New Year with that liquid adhesive, making sure that it didn't show through from the outside of the card. And there you have a really fun, I was scared to use that action wobble because it wasn't quite dry, but you have a really fun action wobble card for New Year's with lots of glitter. So I hope you enjoyed this project today. For more inspiration, check out my blog or my YouTube channel. I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.